Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Amazon Sidewalk settings for supported devices. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Amazon Sidewalk settings for supported devices, start by opening the Amazon app on your smartphone. Log into your Amazon account if you haven't already. Tap on the menu icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings from the list. Within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Amazon Sidewalk. Tap on Amazon Sidewalk to open its settings. Here, you will see the current status of your Amazon Sidewalk connection. To check if it's enabled, look for the toggle switch. If the switch is shown as green or on, Amazon Sidewalk is enabled. If the switch is gray or off, Amazon Sidewalk is disabled. To enable it, simply tap the toggle switch to the on position. After enabling, review any information or additional settings displayed on the screen. If prompted, acknowledge any terms and conditions associated with Amazon Sidewalk. Once changes are made, exit the settings by tapping the back arrow. Your Amazon Sidewalk settings are now verified and adjusted as needed. Check that all your supported devices are functioning properly with Amazon Sidewalk. For a complete overview, visit the Amazon website or the help section of the app. This concludes the verification process for Amazon Sidewalk settings on supported devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.